Hi, in this video I'm going to talk through a wee note we made on the statement of financial position. Now the statement of financial position shows the assets, liabilities and members funds of an organisation at a given time. So that's why we use this term here as at 30th of June 2012. It's a set time. It will change on any day. They might have more money in the bank or less money in the bank. They might have paid off some mortgage, that kind of thing. So we use the term as at when we're doing a statement of financial position. Purpose of a statement of financial position is to show the assets, liabilities, and members' funds of an organisation. And the idea is we want to make it quite simple. So we have totals in here. We have the money from the bank account, which is a current asset. So that's something that's going to be changing within 12 months. And then under non-current assets, we've got their property, plant, and equipment. And we're just putting in the total carrying amount from this note. And we'll go through that in a minute. So there's more details. The fact that there's a note there means that there is more details below the statement. Then we add up all of our assets. So we have a total asset figure. Then we take away some liabilities. They've got accrued expenses. That means expenses that they haven't paid yet. And they've got a mortgage. So we add those together and put our total out in the next column. So we've got this column's nice and clear and easy to see the totals. We don't have to try and add things up. Find the total. It's out here to make it easier to read. All right, so we have our total liabilities, our total assets, and then we're going to find this thing called net assets. Net assets is the total assets minus the total liabilities, which gives us this figure here of 282,900. Then we're going to work out what the members' funds are. We start with the opening balance from last year. We add in the surplus for the year. If they made a deficit, we would be taking it away. And then the closing members funds. The closing members funds should be the same as the net assets, because what we're saying is we've got 406,200 of assets. We have some of that is paid for by liabilities. That's 123,300 is paid for by liabilities. And the rest of it is paid for with money from members that we've saved over a long period of time. Okay, just a couple of terms we need to go over. Net assets, total assets minus total liabilities, and members' funds are the total amount of the assets that are owned by the club. Of course, that's what's left over after the liabilities have been paid. Hope that helps.